I recently found a device known as a Metritape, and it says it's a sensor simulator, and it basically just says resistive ohms. Well, what I noticed, it's basically a resistor, uh, like a decade resistor, but a modernized version of it. And it's got nice thumb wheels on it, so you can dial in whatever resistance you want, up to 30,000 ohms. Pretty cool. I have 100 ohms there. 200 ohms. It says 201 on my DMM. 211 when I've dialed in 210, so there is a slight variance there. Looks like I can adjust it though. Yeah, that's probably about as accurate as it's going to get. And of course I threw it off when I put the lock on there. Let's kick it up 1,000. So 1220 on the dial, 1220 on the meter. So any science projects you may have, if you find something like this, I found it in a bargain bin at a local sale. So maybe you'll find something like that too.